Hello. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Brian O'Leary, and I work with Pavian Partners in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something that many of you can relate to, that reliable old software system in your company. The one that's been there forever, gets the job done, and you've never really had a reason to replace it. You tell yourself, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But what if it is? What if that trusty legacy ERP platform is secretly costing you more than you think? Would you agree that we often get comfortable in our jobs or roles, and that we're used to our processes, employees know the system, and the thought of a major change feels overwhelming? But what we often don't see are the hidden inefficiencies and long-term risks that come with holding on to outdated technology. Let's talk about them. Let's face it, change is hard. Employees might hesitate, fearing a steep learning curve or the disruption to their daily routines. But clinging to the familiar can become a competitive disadvantage. That legacy system, while it might have served you over the years, is likely full of manual soul-crushing work. Think about the wasted time, the extra labor costs, and the human errors that come with doing things the old way. You would say, we pay our employees enough, and it's okay that they work hard to do those tasks. But when your employees spend their days fetching data and performing repetitive tasks that could be automated, it leads to burnout and high turnover. A modern ERP can be an employee retention program by freeing your company and your team to focus on strategic, high-value tasks. Pavian Partners helped a food manufacturing small business move to Acumatica in 3 months. This move helped boost the company's order processing bandwidth by 10x and enabled them to handle orders from multiple retailers to direct consumers without extra admin hires and costs. Why was that possible? Because the company realized they needed to modernize their operations and focus on data-driven decision-making. Beyond the day-to-day inefficiencies, there are two major hidden costs: maintenance and security. As your system ages, the cost to maintain it go up. You might be paying a premium for specialized support or for patches that are no longer part of a standard update package. On the security front, older systems are more vulnerable to cyber threats and data breaches. They simply weren't built with today's sophisticated security in mind, putting your company and your data at risk. And finally, let's talk about the future. Your legacy system is a bottleneck for innovation. It struggles to integrate with modern tools like API integrations, AI, cloud computing, or the latest e-commerce platforms. This lack of connectivity means you're slower to adapt to market changes. Your competitors use more agile and scalable solutions. They're already leveraging real-time data to make smarter decisions, while you're stuck waiting for reports or trying to piece together information from multiple sources. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a competitive disadvantage that can limit your growth and profitability. So what's the alternative? A modern cloud-based ERP solution built for today's business landscape. Think about the benefits. Automation. Modern ERP automates routine tasks from accounts payable to order fulfillment, reducing manual labor and human error. Next, real-time insights. You gain a single source of truth for all your business data, giving you a 360-degree view of your operations in real time. This allows for faster, smarter decision-making. Next, enhanced security. These platforms are built with robust, multi-layered security protocols to protect your sensitive data from modern threats. And lastly, scalability and mobility. A cloud-based platform like Acumatica can scale seamlessly with your business and help you grow. You get the flexibility to work from anywhere on any device, ensuring your team stays connected and productive. The real question is, can you afford not to fix it? The operational inefficiencies, escalating costs, security vulnerabilities, and the competitive disadvantage are all real, tangible costs. Upgrading your ERP isn't just about replacing an old system. It's about investing in the future of your business. It's about empowering your employees, improving your bottom line, and positioning your company for long-term success. Now, are you ready to find out if your legacy system is holding you back? Can you relate to anything I said? Fabian Partners is here to answer your questions. Drop your questions in the comments below and schedule a call with us. You will find all the links in the description. Subscribe to our channel and visit us at www.fabianpartners.com to learn more about how a modern ERP solution like Acumatica can unlock your business's full potential. Thanks.